Is this the first time you are watching our videos? Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hope you all are watched the previous video that is part 1 of this series. Otherwise I'll provide the link above, click to watch. Let's get started. 1963, Sketchpad program. Ivan Sutherland, the father of computer graphics, revolutionized 3D computer modeling and simulation when he created the Sketchpad program. As the earliest iteration of a computer-aided design (CAD) program, Sketchpad pioneered the use of geometric constraints, fixing the length of a line or an angle between two segments. It was also one of the first programs to use a graphical user interface, as opposed to a text-based one. If you're reading this on a computer without knowing a single line of code, you can thank Sutherland and Sketchpad. 1964, unmanned aerial vehicles. Widespread use of remotely piloted aircraft begins during the Vietnam War with deployment of 1,000 AQM-34 Ryan Firebees. The first model of these 29-foot-long planes was developed in just 90 days in 1962. AQM-34s go on to fly more than 34,000 surveillance missions. Their success leads to the eventual development of the UAVs widely used today. 1965, Kevlar. Thanks to DuPont's Stephanie Kwolek and Herbert Blades, who in 1965 invent a high-strength polymer called Kevlar, the body armor of over 3,000 police officers has protected them from fatal attacks. 1966, high-yield rice. The International Rice Research Institute in the Philippines releases a semi-dwarf, high-yield indica variety that, in conjunction with high-yield wheat, ushers in the Green Revolution. Indica rice thrives in tropical regions of Asia and South America, raising worldwide production more than 20% by 1970. 1967, coronary bypass surgery. René Favaloro performs the first coronary bypass surgery in 1967, taking a length of vein from leg and grafting it onto the coronary artery. This allows blood to flow around the blocked section. Thanks in part to these advances, the number of deaths from heart disease declined in the US by almost 50%. Thanks for spending your valuable time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's meet you in the next video.